Hi everyone, I just wanted to put a little video together that deals with the loan payment calculator assignment that you have due this week. If you take a look here in my MTI, you will notice the assignment, March 24th, create a loan payment calculator. And if you take a look at that, you're going to work on the skills that you've learned that deal with formatting, using bolding, color, cell alignment, etc. I did attach a JPEG file so that you can see what yours may look like, but I did also note that your items of choice, down payment amounts, borders, colors, etc., they're your choice. So yours isn't going to look exactly like mine. This is what yours may look like when you're finished, if you're putting things in the cells correctly as I've indicated in the assignment link. And so all you need to do is download the loan payment calculator instructions, which look like this. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to launch a blank workbook, and then you're going to do what the instructions ask you to do. So in row 1, merge cells A1 through D1. So you select A1 through D1, and you're going to come up and you're going to merge those cells. I usually choose merge and center so that my title is centered across the top. Then you'll go to the next step. It says type the title loan payment calculator in row 1. So you go up to row 1 and you're going to type loan payment calculator. C-A-L-C. There we go. C-A-L-C-U-L-A-T-O-R. Okay. Then change the font color of the title. So you can highlight that and you can change the font color to whatever suits you. But again, we're doing font color. We're not doing shading. And then change the point size of the title and bold the title. So you're working with the title. We're going to bold the title. We're going to change the point size of the title. If you change the point size, remember you come up here and you're going to highlight and you're going to adjust those column widths. Whoops, so that the title will fit. I need to adjust mine there. So then your title fits in there. Again, you guys might pick different colors than me. So just kind of an FYI, but if you follow the instructions, it says step 6 in cell A2 type the word date. So I'm going to go to cell A2 and I'm going to type date. You'll notice on that assignment sheet that it looks bolded. If you want to bold that, feel free. It doesn't tell you you have to. It's just there to point that out to you that that's what you need to type in that cell. So it's up to you. I'm not going to count it wrong if it's bolded. I'm not going to count it wrong if it's not bolded. So you're going to go through and in these cells, you're going to put in exactly what it tells you to do. And then when you're done, you should have something that looks similar to this. You will have cells where you will have formulas. You will have cells where you're just going to type in items. You need to make sure cells are formatted correctly. So if you have any questions on things, don't hesitate to ask, and have a great day.